Are you tired of drowning in a sea of receipts? Do expense reports feel like a never-ending nightmare? What if I told you there's a solution that can make expense management not just tolerable, but actually easy? For businesses of all sizes, from freelancers and startups to large enterprises, managing expenses can be a monumental headache. Think about it: a coffee receipt here, a taxi fare there, a big software subscription over yonder. Before you know it, you're sifting through crumpled paper, trying to remember what each purchase was for, and painstakingly entering data into a spreadsheet. It's time-consuming, prone to errors, and honestly, a massive drain on productivity. And that's just for individuals. Imagine the chaos for a company with multiple employees, each submitting their own expenses. The approval process, the reimbursements, the reconciliation with accounting software, it's enough to make anyone want to pull their hair out. But what if there was a way to automate almost all of that? To snap a picture of a receipt and have the data magically extracted? To submit an expense report with a single click? That's where Expensify comes in. So, what exactly is Expensify? In its simplest terms, Expensify is a comprehensive expense management platform designed to streamline and automate the entire process of tracking, reporting, and reimbursing business expenses. Launched in 2008, it's built to take the manual work out of expense reports, saving individuals and businesses countless hours and reducing errors. How does it work its magic? It all starts with the humble receipt. Expensify's core feature is its SmartScan technology. Instead of manually typing in every detail from a receipt, you simply take a photo of it with your smartphone using the Expensify mobile app. SmartScan, powered by AI and OCR, optical character recognition, instantly extracts all the relevant information: the vendor, the date, the amount, and even the currency. No more squinting at faded ink or trying to decipher illegible handwriting. Once the data is captured, Expensify automatically categorizes the expense. You can set up custom categories and policies, and the AI learns your spending habits, making the categorization even smarter over time. This not only keeps your records organized, but also helps ensure compliance with company spending policies. If an expense falls outside your set guidelines, Expensify can flag it for review, preventing policy violations before they become issues. But Expensify goes far beyond just receipt scanning. It integrates seamlessly with your existing credit cards. You can connect your company cards, and transactions will flow in automatically, ready to be matched with your SmartScan receipts. This real-time visibility into spending allows for proactive financial management. When it comes to submitting expenses, Expensify automates the report creation process. Group expenses by trip, project, or any other criteria you need, and Expensify compiles them into professional-looking reports. For teams, you can set up customizable approval workflows, ensuring that expenses are reviewed and approved efficiently. This means faster reimbursements for employees, keeping everyone happy. Expensify also offers features like mileage tracking, using your phone's GPS to accurately record distances for business travel. It supports multiple currencies, making it ideal for international businesses or employees who travel frequently. And for those looking for an all-in-one solution, Expensify even offers its own corporate card, the Expensify card, which can earn you cash back and even reduce your Expensify subscription cost. Ultimately, Expensify aims to empower businesses with greater financial control and visibility. By automating tedious tasks, reducing manual errors, and providing real-time insights into spending, it frees up valuable time and resources. This means finance teams can focus on strategic initiatives rather than chasing down receipts, and employees can get reimbursed faster, improving overall productivity and satisfaction. It's about transforming expense management from a burden into a streamlined, efficient process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.